Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Ayamase stew. It's known as Afada stew. I already have a video on this recipe, but I'm going to be making it in a different way in this recipe, which is very simple. We will be using chicken lap for this recipe, as well as yellow, red, green bell pepper, sweet onions and purple onions, spring onions, Cameroon pepper, chicken stock cube, and salt to taste. We'll be cutting this chicken lap into small pieces. I'm going to go ahead and blend the yellow, green, and red bell pepper together with the onions behind the camera. As we proceed, don't forget to like this video to help this channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider doing that, please. Thank you. I will be adding a little bit of tomato paste to the blended bell peppers and onions to help thicken the stew. I'm going to cover to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready, guys. Please do not hesitate to ask any question in the comment section below. And this video is coming to an end. If you haven't subscribed by this time, guys, please consider doing that. I would also like to say thank you for watching to this time. I can't wait to have you back in my next one. Bye.